Salad. Your boyfriend is so posh, and his family found Ferrari. He uses Apple condoms, and he's Facebook friends with G Armani. When his stocks are on the rise, you love to chase that pace. Do you prefer his Rolex or his motherfucking pretty face? In the club on the floor, I want some more, I'm waiting for a sign. While you drink up expensive vodka straight to VIP, no line. I've got to grab your attention, locked on your sex appeal. But will you really love me? I don't have nothing to steal. No Harley, no money, no single family home.